Good afternoon and welcome again to another COVID-19 update, a production of the Ministry of Public Health in collaboration with PAHO WHO. And I am Terence Esibum, the head of the PR department in the Public Health Ministry. And today our minister is going to give us another update on what's happening on the international, regional, and national fronts. And so right now I would like to invite our Public Health Minister, the Honorable Volda Ann Lawrence, with today's update. Minister Lawrence.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to today's COVID-19 briefing. Yesterday, the Ministry of Public Health shared with you the instructions on the app, and I hope you've tried it. For those who haven't, I urge you to sign up and use covid19.health.gov.gy. Your information will be instantly reviewed by the Surveillance Department, and you will receive a call should you clinically meet the criteria of someone suspected with the coronavirus disease. And now for today's COVID-19 pandemic statistics from the national, regional, and global perspectives. The Guyana situation as of today, 8 April 2020, is as follows. The number of confirmed cases is now 37, with our deaths increasing to 6. The total number of persons tested thus far is 145, with 37 positives, inclusive of 6 deaths, and 108 negatives. Please note that the test results of the person who died last evening confirmed that he was positive. As of last evening, the number of persons in the Ministry of Public Health's quarantine and isolation facilities is as follows. In institutional quarantine, we now have 27 persons. In institutional isolation, we now have 30 persons. The number of persons hospitalized in our COVID-19 ICU is 3. Let me provide you with an update on the number of other persons who will be discharged today from our institutions. 7 persons who have been quarantined and 3 persons who were isolated have been medically cleared and will be going home today. Happy Easter weekend to you. Stay safe. As of yesterday, calls to the COVID-19 hotline totaled 1,627. These include calls from regions 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 10. I now wish to provide you with the global and regional statistics according to the WHO, which are as follows. Globally, there are 1,279,722 cases with 72,614 deaths. In the Americas, there are 384,242 cases with 11,097 deaths. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see from our national statistics, our numbers of confirmed cases as well as deaths continue to rise. Have you considered that if we fail to adhere to the guidelines provided, that the possibility exists that our loved ones will be left to endure much suffering, especially your children? My brothers and sisters, COVID-19 is real and it's a killer. The only way you can protect yourself and save your life is to stay home. Just stay home, I beg you. Essential workers, do remember to cover your nose and mouth when leaving home. I wish to appeal to you, if you have been in contact with any of the 37 persons who tested positive for COVID-19 and you have not called us, please call the hotline or use the COVID-19 app, or you may call your nearest health facility. I repeat, if you have been in contact with any of the 37 persons who tested positive for COVID-19 and you have not contacted us, please call the hotline or use the COVID-19 app, or you may call your nearest health facility. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, hand washing, cough and sneeze etiquette, good respiratory hygiene, social and physical distancing must be practiced, since it can save your life and mine. Thank you. Stay safe. May God bless us all until we meet again tomorrow.
Thank you, Minister, for that update. And I would like to remind you to stay at home, to ensure that you wash your hands regularly, to make sure that when you sneeze, you sneeze in a tissue which you will throw in a bin with cover, or you sneeze in your flexed elbow. Wash your hands repeatedly and to follow what we are saying from the Ministry of Public Health, and you will be well. Until tomorrow, God bless you.